I don't leave things to luck. I like to have everything in view. You too? Then Orca and our dome camera are exactly what you need. With this dream team, you catch every movement, every process. Full HD, fast, precise, safe. The dome camera delivers crystal clear images, 32 times zoom and rapid pans. And our modular HMI can be upgraded easily to the newest technology that offers significant cost saving and low maintenance. So you always keep an eye on what really matters. Flexible, accurate and reliable. That's what real winners rely on. Even on the last day of SPS, the excitement isn't over. Want to test your luck one last time? Grab a chip and join in.